Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you a few camera tips and tricks for your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. So let's start from the volume buttons. They are located on the right side, as you can see. And when you click like that on the volume up or volume down, you can just take the photo. When you click and hold one of this button, you are going to take the series of the photos. And you can take actually the 100 photos in each series. If you want to use these volume buttons to take the photos with this cover preview, first of all you have to just turn off the cover preview. And right now if you want to take photo with the high quality, just take a look. You can just grab the volume button and it will be really easy to take the photo. So we got basically the preview of the main screen, of the second screen, so you don't have to like hold the finger, the shutter right here and click on it. You can just do this much easier with your one hand. So that's how you can do this. Next, you can also just click on the screen to change the brightness level. You can also do this automatically. When you click and hold your shutter, now you are going to record this video. You can also move your finger to this lock and you can just take the photo while recording. You can also switch to the selfie camera or finish the video. When you click right here, you can add some filters. As you can see, they change the color and the temperature on the photos. You can also adjust the strength of the filter. Next, when you click right here, you can enable also the motion photos. So basically this function record like 1 or 2 seconds short video before taking the photo. And after that in the gallery you can just view the motion photo. As you can see, it looks like the short video. When you click right here on the aspect ratio, you can just simply switch the aspect ratio. That's very obvious. When you want to add some delay to your shutter, just select 2, 5 or 10 seconds. And when you go to the settings, we can adjust other useful options. I just show you that we can use this shutter, but we can also swipe shutter button to take the burst shot or create the GIF. So we can decide which option you are going to use. When you go back to the settings, we can go for the shotting methods, where we can, for example, switch function of the volume buttons. So currently we can just take the photos, but we can also zoom in or out. We can also take the photos by saying smile, cheese, capture or shot, and record videos by saying record video. And we can also add the floating shutter button and show the palm of our hand. So let me show you how the function works. So the first one was about this volume buttons. Right now when you click and hold it, you are going to zoom in or zoom out. When you switch to the selfie camera, you can show the palm of your hand, and after this countdown the photo will be taken. And honestly, this option is also available in other phones, like for example the Oppo, Realme or Nokia, but in this Samsung phone it works really good. It's really good working option. There's also this floating shutter button. It works the same like this one. You can move it on the screen and put it to the main to get rid of that. And the last option was about this voice shutter. So we can say smile and the photo will be taken. You can also go for the more modes. There we go, where you can control, for example, the parameters of your photos. Take a look. We can find here ISO, speed, shutter speed, exposure compensation, focus range, white balance. We can also use the contrast adjustment, highlights, shadows, saturation and tint. A lot of options that we can actually adjust. In the mono modes, there's also the Pro Video mode, and the very interesting option. It's definitely the single take. So with this mode, we can actually just take the photo. Right now, when you click on it, your device is like recording the video for like 10 seconds, but it will produce like few photos, few videos. It will transform this standard 10 seconds video to like hyperlapse, slow motion. So when we open it, there's the information about this single take, and as you can see, there we got the boomerang clip, fast forward clip, and the original video. And sometimes it's creating like even to 8 different options. Currently we have only 3, but sometimes you can also find the 8 different options. And for me, that's all for this camera tips and tricks for the Samsung Galaxy Flip 5. So yeah, hope you like it.